It's embarrassing how much my heart is like pounding through my chest right now. Hey all, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm already anxious about this, but I'm going to be trying the 10-minute makeup challenge. I tried this years ago and it's just fun, and I've been seeing it going around again and I love it. I love makeup challenges. I love makeup tags because I feel like one of the big reasons that I loved YouTube, yes, it was to learn things like back in the day, like to learn to makeup tutorials and things like that, but it was also just fun. Like it wasn't always about, I don't know, like very serious in-depth videos about commentary and the rise and fall of brands, which are all amazing types of videos, but you could also just vibe. And that's what I want to do today. I want to just vibe. So I am going to do a makeup look, and here's what I'm going to try to do, which I'm even more nervous about. I don't want to do a simple makeup look, right? I mean, it would be very easy for me to be like, oh, I'm going to do tinted moisturizer, a little blush, my brows, and call it a day. No, I want to do a smoky eye. I want to do liquid liner. I want to do a lip stain, okay? Now, the lip stains are usually supposed to stay on for 10 to 15 minutes. This time, I'm going to try to leave it on for 9. That'll be the very last thing I do is like take that off and maybe apply a gloss over it. I might even leave it to like 9 minutes and 30 seconds. That's probably too much, but I want to get kind of ambitious with this. So I did a makeup look last night. I went out to the club and I did a makeup look and I really loved it. And it felt very simple to do. Notice I say the word, it felt simple to do, but when I have a timer ticking down right next to me, I am curious how simple it's suddenly going to feel. It's probably going to feel very anxiety inducing. So I will say, like, as a cheat, what I've done is I've set up everything in front of me. Okay. I have everything along with the brush that it goes with. So I did set it up, but to be fair, that's what I do when I'm doing makeup anyway. Like, I don't just like run around the place, like all over the place. Like I usually have it in kind of one area. I'm very nervous. This is so stupid. It's a challenge video, but like, I want to see if I can do it. I'm actually like pushing myself, especially liquid liner. That's the thing I think liquid liner and the lip stain are the things I'm most nervous about because I'm still getting used to a lip stain, but I'm going to apply the lip stain all over. It's going to look absolutely crazy, but we're going to do this. So 2 things that I'm going to do also to prep beforehand. I am not going to use the time to push my hair back. I will do that because I want this to be 10 minutes of makeup, and I'm going to remove my Invisalign because I realized yesterday, fun fact, that Invisalign plus lip stain equals stain on your Invisalign. That was a fun thing to find out. I'm also going to try to have very minimal editing in here. I'm going to have a timer showing right on the screen. So I'm hoping that you'll just see the next 10 minutes in real time. Unless something, knock on wood, catastrophic happens, you're going to see the next 10 minutes in real time, but you don't need to see me take my Invisalign out. Thank you. All right, I'm going to first set my phone so that it does not lock, and I will just be able to see the timer going. I'm also going to put it on Do Not Disturb so nobody bothers me in the next 10 minutes, and I am getting this timer ready. Oh my God, why am I so nervous? You can see right there, I'm setting a timer for 10 minutes. My phone is so dirty, don't judge me. Okay, wait, what am I doing first? Hold up, I'm doing the lip stain first. We're gonna be fine, you and I, but I'm going to start, oh gosh, you ready? Oh my God, I'm not ready. Here we go. Now. Oh my God. Did it start? Oh my God, it started. Okay, we're going in with the Sachu lip stain in I think it's like Mauve. Okay, this was probably not my finest idea because it makes talking a little bit difficult, but next thing I'm going to do is my foundation. I'm going in with the Say Slip Tint. By the way, this is not going to be that dark, and I'm applying this. I just want a very light coverage, as always. Oh, look, it's already all over my teeth. Oh God, this is taking longer than I thought already. Oh, this is stressful. Okay, Sigma Color Correcting Spectrum Duo for concealer. And before I powder, I'm going in with the Too Faced Contour Stick in Chocolate Mousse. I will check my time after the base. How's my teeth doing? Oh God, they're so stained. Okay, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Powder, and I'm just gonna powder the usual areas I powder, which is not much. I just realized that I said to you, and I mean it, that I'm not going to make any cuts. So you are going to be seeing me constantly going, which is gross. And I put the lip liner on all patchy. That's really great. I really love that for me. Okay, now that that's done, I am going to do my eyebrows. Okay, we are at 7 minutes. Okay, that was only 3 minutes. Not too bad. I am using the Kosas Air Brow because it is like the quickest thing that I have. I love this. It holds the brows in place while giving them a tint, and it takes like 4 seconds. Okay, now's the part I'm nervous about. I'm going to do, because this is what I did last night. I want my eyeliner to be even. I am doing some tape, putting it on the back of my hand to take away some of the stickiness. Oh, that's not even. Ah! What's, oh my God, the time. Okay, is that more even? We're gonna call it even. So for my eyeshadow palette, I'm going in with the Black Moon Cosmetics Orb of Light. First color I am taking, where's my fluffy? Is the Nasty Yellow. This is going all over the place. I'm putting this in the crease, and it's gonna go under the eyes too eventually. This is what really made my smoky eye last night, and I loved it. And this palette is so easy to use. Oh my God, look how good that color is. Oh my God, I'm so stressed. Why did I choose a lip stain? Like, I'm not even as worried about the liquid liner for some reason, but this stain, because it makes your lips like, you should keep them more still than I am. That's fun. So then I'm going in with a fluffy brush and this brown. It's a great freaking color. And that is gonna go all over the lid and also a little bit in the crease, but like, this is what the smoky color is gonna be. This palette makes a smoky eye so easy, and I'm just kind of doing this real messy on purpose because I really liked the kind of vibe it gave. Like, look at that. Right there, you've got a beautiful smoky eye with, what, 2 colors? Bingo bongo. Okay, I'm taking a flat brush. Is this the one that I chose? And I'm going into black, which is black. And that's going just right on this outer corner. I'm gonna put it on both sides because I don't want this to be super intense. I just want it to deepen up the outer corner. Now it looks kind of like a mess. I'm gonna blend that out. How many minutes left? Okay, I've got like 5 minutes left almost. Like, that's not bad, you guys, right? Like, not too bad. Okay, here we go. Now, I'm not gonna be able to talk while I'm doing this. I've never filmed myself doing liquid liner, but I'm gonna do it. And you get to see how it's done and maybe how it messes up. I hope I put some hold music in there for you so you didn't have to just watch me silently and like angrily putting on liquid liner. But did you see how easy this pen makes it? But anyway, now that that's dry and I have kind of a template down, I'm taking off the tape. Oh, that bled a little bit. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That they're not even, but we're gonna work with it. Was liquid liner a bad idea? Probably. You know what? I'm actually going to stop there. Oh my God, 3 minutes left, 3 minutes left. We're doing okay. I'm going back into the Orb of Light palette. And what was I going to take? Oh, which brush should I use? This, the fluffy, going back into that yellow. And I'm really putting this under the eyes. Oh no, I just realized I forgot to get my black pencil liner out. Oh no. Then I'm going to take the brush that I had the black on, and I'm going to smudge that right along this lash line. That's not terrible. I'm going to curl my lashes. At the last second, if I have time, I'll put black in the waterline, but I don't think I'm going to have time. I'm curling, going with Kush. Oh my God, 2 minutes left, 2 minutes. We are down to the wire. I still have to do blush and highlighter and lips. Okay, we're good. Time for blush. I am going in with Melt Cream Blush Light in Lynx. This is my favorite shade. It is like a golden brown, but it's very highlighty. That was too much. That was too much. I will blend that out. Doesn't look awful though. Like, I think it warms up the face nicely. For highlighter, I'm going in with Unearthly Moth to a Flame. This has like a pink glow to it, but it is so freaking pretty. Look at that. Oh, God, I love this highlighter. I love it. I love it. Okay, you know what? 1 minute, 22 seconds. We're taking this off. Very satisfying. Where do I put this? Oh my God. I've got like a container here. I'm putting my lip skin. Ew. Okay, we're good, we're good. And then I'm going to take off the excess. Oh, that looks so, see, isn't that a nice stain? Then I'm using the Sigma Gloss in Brilliance. How much time? 40 seconds. Hold on, I'm getting my pencil. Please let me find it quickly. Oh my God, it was right on top. The Melt Slick Waterline Pencil. Ow, it's not sharpened. And we have 18 seconds. 18 seconds. Wait a minute, look. 7, 6, anything else I need to do? Did I forget anything? I didn't forget anything? Before we do the final look, I need to brush the leftover lip stain off my teeth. So that was my 10-minute makeup challenge. Look, okay, could the eyeliner be better? Oh my God, yes. It could so be better, but I'm not completely unhappy with this. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, that's a big spot of shadow. That was there the whole time and I didn't notice, huh? Okay, well, let's cover it up now because I am going out. Well, that was an easy fix. Is there anything else that's like a catastrophe? There's a little bit of like mascara right there. That's something I could easily touch up in like 5 seconds, you know, and be good to go. But otherwise, like, I'm not entirely unhappy with the way this looks. Like, I think the smoky eye kind of does itself. Like, that's the beauty, I have to admit, of this Orb of Light palette. It makes things very easy. The lip stain, I'm kind of impressed. I think it came out pretty banging. Like, yes, it got on my teeth. It's what happens. But, like, that looks really beautiful. And all I have on top of it is, like, a clear gloss with some sparkle. Like, it's a little bit golden. But still, I don't think it's that bad. Rate me on a scale of, like, 1 to 10 how you think I did. If you say 1... who hurt you? But anyway, this was so much fun to do. I know this is a short video, but I just wanted to play and I just wanted to have fun today in front of the camera. So thank you guys for indulging me. If you liked this video, I'm gonna put another challenge, or it's a palette tag that I did recently here because I think you'd enjoy that too. But if you did like it, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much. It takes 2 seconds, it's right down there. You all can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Those are all Glitter Fallout. And as always and forever, You guys are super freaking rock stars. I love you so much. So, so, so much with my whole heart. I will see you in the next video. Bye.